The TCAC series is a range of oil removal and purification equipment based on catalytic oxidation technology. Through catalytic oxidation, the oil present in the compressed air is completely converted into carbon dioxide in water. It is unaffected by ambient air quality, pressure, temperature, humidity, and the life of consumables such as filter cartridges. The equipment adopts one-piece reaction design, high-precision temperature control system, compact structure, multiple protection, safety, and reliability. It can continuously provide oil-free compressed air of the highest purification level 0 as required by GBT 13277.1, 2023 standard. Key features: oil and bacteria-free, zero consumables, easy installation, low cost, one-click start, more energy efficient. The activated carbon filter is configured as a bypass and its programmable valve is controlled by the oil-free conversion machine. During its maintenance or failure, it automatically switches to bypass and sound and light alarm to ensure continuity of gas supply to users.